I hope this is working. Hello, everyone. Let's get right down into it. I chose 3D printing. Okay, so 3D printing is the process of making three-dimensional solid objects from a digital file using additive processes. This process creates the object by layering thin sheets of material seen as a horizontal cross-section of the intended outcome. The first step is to construct a 3D model. Then, using slicing software, you divide the model into horizontal layers. From here, you transfer the file into the printer itself, which in turn prints your model one layer at a time. Here in these photos, you can see the printer doing its thing, printing, and below you can see some examples of models that have been printed. The first idea of 3D printing came about in 1981, so it's been around a lot longer than I ever thought it was, as a rapid prototyping system using photopolymers. Nowadays, 3D printing has become a production technology in itself. For smaller objects, 3D printing is much faster than many other manufacturing methods and at a lower cost due to less material being used. 3D printing is also more efficient and sustainable than machining, for example. They offer more customization and lessen the need for outsourced manufacturing. Overall, performance in general is just better. Major industries have been and will be positively impacted, such as automotive, aviation, construction, consumer products, healthcare, aerospace, food, and education. It can really help so many different areas. Some examples of how 3D printing is commercially being used today include consumer products such as eyewear footwear, movie props, prosthetics, artifact replication, or industrial products such as prototypes. It's an exciting topic because it will likely transform our lives completely for the better. Acumen Research and Consulting predicts the global 3D printing market to hit $41 billion by the year 2026, with an incredible compound annual growth rate of 20%, which is very high for such a relatively short period of time. 3D printing has already successfully made its way into South Dakota, even here in the classrooms at Black Hills State University. An unexpected way in which it may create business opportunities here within 40 years would be through the healthcare system. COVID-19 is a perfect example. As we all know, there was recently a mask shortage. During desperate times, we would at least have our own supply chain to rely on for these scarce materials. 3D printing would not only create more jobs for South Dakotans, but also a line of in-house manufacturing. And here you could, oh my gosh, how embarrassing. Whoops. You can see here in this photo a 3D model of a mask and then the mask itself. And here are my sources. Thank you guys. The end. Thank you for watching. I hope it worked. Otherwise, I'll be doing it again. So, thank you.